Multiple choice question MCQ carry 1 mark each for each wrong answer, 1/3. Q.1. Ichthyophis belongs to which of the following class? A. Mammalia. B. Reptilia. C. Amphibia. D. Aves. Q.2. The two homologous genes occurring in different species are called A. Paralogous. B. Orthologous. C. Pseudologous. D. Prologous. Q. Q. 3. The expression of Holendrick genes causes which of the following genetic trait in humans? A. Hemophilia. B. Sickle cell anemia. C. Down syndrome. D. Hypertrichosis. Q.4. Point 4. Assume that the anticodon for an unknown amino acid is 3 August 5. The corresponding code on DNA sequence would be A. 3 tag 5, B. 5 tag 3, C. 3 ATG 5, D. 5 ATG 3. Q. 5. The organ of Corti is found in which of the following parts of human body? A. Heart. B. Inner ear. C. Kidney. D. Nasal cavity. Q. 6. In adult athletes, muscles grow larger when exercised and are capable of regeneration after injury. This is due to proliferation and differentiation of A. Satellite cells. B. Myelin sheath. C. Oxyntic cells. D. Choanocytes. Q. Q. 7. The term innate behavior is a sort of animal behavior that is A. Triggered by an environmental change. B. Learned by hit and trial approach. C. Trained and taught by the parent. D. Fixed developmentally at the genetic level. Q.8 Q10. Numerical answer type NAT carry 1 mark each, no negative marks. Q.8. A man, whose mother and father had blood groups A and O respectively, marries a woman with blood group AB. If the man has blood group A, then the number of different blood groups possible among their children will be blank in integer. Q. 9. A population of snakes in an isolated island is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium for a gene with only 2 alleles A and A. If the allelic frequency of A is 0.6, then the genetic frequency of RR is blank, round off to 2 decimal places. Q.10. In the structure of a polypeptide, 1 helix 3.613 helix contains 32 intrachain hydrogen bonds. The number of turns in the helix will be blank in integer. Q.11 Q16 multiple choice question MCQ carry 2 marks each for each wrong answer, 2/3. Q.11. Match the terms in column I with the specific descriptions in column 2. Column I. Column 2. P zygote I, a hollow sphere of cells. Q morula E, a newly born offspring. R blastocyst E, a cell that results from fertilization. S ovum IV, an embryo. T neonate V, an unfertilized egg. U fetus Vi, a compact mass of cells. A. P EQ Vi R I S V T E U I V. B. P VQ E R E S Vi T I U I V. C. P EQ I V R Vi S V T I U E. D. P EQ Vi R E S V T I V U I. Q. 12. Match the autoimmune diseases in column I for the self-antigens in column 2. Column I. Column 2. P. Rheumatoid arthritis I. Myelin. Q. Systemic lupus erythematosus E. Connective tissue. R. Myasthenia gravis E. DNA. S. Multiple sclerosis IV. Acetylcholine receptors. A. P. IQER-E-S IV. B. PEQER-IV-SI. C. PEQIR-IV-SE. D. PIVQIR-ESE. E. Q. 13. Match the types of cell movements during gastrulation in column I with the descriptions in column 2. Column I. Column 2. P. Invagination. I. Migration of individual cells from the surface into the embryo's interior. Q. Involution. E. Infolding of a sheet epithelium of cells during the formation of endoderm in sea urchin. R. Ingression. E. Splitting of one cellular sheet into two nearly parallel sheets. S. Delamination. IV. Inward movement of an expanding outer layer of cells so that it spreads over the internal surface of the remaining external cells. A. PEQER-IV-SI. B. PIVQIR-ESE. C. PEQIVRISE. D. PEQER-IV-SI. Q. 14. Match the therapeutic factors in column I with the applications in column 2. Column I. Column 2. P. Humulin I. Cancer therapy. Q. Erythropoietin E. Diabetes. R. Plasminogen activator E. Osteoporosis. S. Cathepsin K inhibitor IV. Anemia. T. Leptin V. Myocardial infarction. Vi. Obesity. A. PEQIVRVSET Vi. B. PEQVRISIVTE. C. PVQVRIVSETI. D. PEQIVRESVT Vi. Vi. Q. 15. Match the cell organelles in column I with the appropriate functions in column 2. Column I. Column 2. P. Peroxisome I. Conversion of lipid to carbohydrate. Q. Endoplasmic reticulum E. Oxidation of fatty acids. R. Glyozyme E. N-linked glycosylation. S. Golgi complex IV. Microtubule organization center. T. Centrioles V. O-linked glycosylation. A. PEQERVSITIV. B. PIVQVRISETE. C. PIVQVRESITE. D. PEQERISVTIV. Q. 6. Cohesin and condensin proteins of eukaryotes belong to which one of the following groups? A. Structural maintenance of chromosomes SMC proteins. B. Histones. C. DNA polymerases. D. Topoisomerases. Q.17 Q18 Multiple select question, MSQ carry 2 mark each, no negative marks. Q. 17. Which of the following options represent the animals as endemic to India? A. Pygmy hog. B. Mountain bongo. C. Hirola. D. Purple frog. Q. 18. Which of the following amino acids contain more than one chiral center? A. leucine. B. Isoleucine. C. serine. D. threonine. Q.19 Q20 Numerical answer type NAT carry 2. Two mark each, no negative marks. Q. 19. An enzyme catalyzes the conversion of 30 μm of a substrate to product at reaction velocity of 9.0 μm/s1. When A equals 30 nanometer and kilometer equals 10 μm, kcat per kilometer of enzyme will be n times 107 m1s1. The value of n is blank in integer. Q. 20.